Hello everyone, my name is Chelly and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'll be making a remake video about how to order or shop at Atomy Philippine website because this year is already 2020 and we have already updates and reminders para po maging successful yung pag-order natin sa Atomy Philippine website. Okay, so makakabili po tayo sa website ng Atomy if you are a member of Atomy. So paano po ba maging member? For you to have an account for free in Atomy, you just have to sign up. Just like on how you sign up to have a Facebook account or Gmail account, Yahoo account, it's the same thing with making your account in Atomy. So, ilalagay din po namin sa description box below kung paano po kayo makapag-register. And again, it's free to register and to have your account in Atomy website. Okay, so let's assume na meron na po kayong member ID sa Atomy. All you need to do is go to this website. This is Atomy's shopping mall website in the Philippines. This is www.atomy.com/ph. So, kiklik nyo lang po yung login and type in your member ID. So, just click login and go to Atomy shopping mall. So these are the categories of our products. We have Hemohim. This is our flagship product. Healthcare products, beauty products, personal care products, home products, and food products. So soon po, magkakaroon pa po ng mas marami pa pong products sa Atomy. Actually, the products that I'm ordering today is actually what I need sa bahay po namin. Okay, so I will order a foam cleanser and a peel-off mask. That is under beauty products. Okay, so this is the foam cleanser of Atomy. This is 390 pesos with 3,000 PV. So, we will also be putting on the description box below yung marketing plan ng Atomy kung paano nyo po mapapakinabangan yung mga points na mga products na binibili nyo po. Okay, just click add to cart and then just click OK. I need also a peel-off mask. Kung gusto nyo pong malaman yung information about the product, you can just click on this picture and everything will appear, and those also are downloadable. You can post that on your Facebook accounts and other social media accounts if you want to share it to your friends and start having your consumer group. Okay, I'm also needing omega-3 fish oil for my parents. That is under healthcare. I need one of this. Just click OK. So, on the right side, this is your shopping cart. Parang nasa mall kayo, di ba po? Meron kayong shopping cart. Also, in other shopping mall website, familiar na rin po sa inyo to. Okay, I also need some personal care products. And then a toothpaste. So we have actually two types of toothpaste here in grams. We have the bigger one in 770 pesos. We also have 230 pesos, 50 grams. So I usually buy this small one because it has bigger PV than this one. Kasi maliliit lang po siya, mabilis maubos. Add to cart. And then what else I need? I also need coffee. So that's under food product. Click on add to cart. Okay, so this is what I need. That's a good thing in Atomy. You don't need to buy things that you don't need. So this are actually daily necessity products. So whether you like it or not, we are using these products for our daily life. So I'm proceeding now to shipping and payment. Just click on shopping cart. You can review the items that you have selected here, and you can delete it if you want to. So I'll be needing all of this. So I'll proceed now to payment section. Just click order all items. So the total I have is 3,050 pesos. Actually, in Atomy, they offer free delivery service if your products reaches a minimum amount. So, but actually that depends on the area, because in Metro Manila, if you order products in Atomy website, minimum 3,000 pesos, you will be entitled for free delivery service. So, wala na kayong babayarang delivery charge. So, mas okay na umabot ng 3,000 kasi free delivery na to. I-deliver na po to sa bahay namin. So, we have here total PV of 21,360. So, ito yung katumbas na points sa mga binili ko po or sa mga bibilhin ko po ngayon. So, we will fill out customer information. May makikita po kayo ditong date of purchase. Meron po kayong tatlong date na pwede niyong pagpipilian. Merong Saturday, Monday, Tuesday. This is the purpose of, if you will understand Atomy marketing plan, maiintindihan niyo po kung bakit pwede po kayo mamili ng date, kung kailan niyo gusto mag-reflect yung mga PV niyo. This is for the purpose of commission and for the matching of your left consumer group and right consumer group PV. So, I'll be choosing Tuesday. And my mobile number my email address. Okay. So, sa paglalagay po ng email address, kung kayo po ay magbabayad using your debit card or credit card, kailangan po kung ano yung email address na nilink nyo po dun sa debit card na gagamitin nyo or sa credit card na gagamitin nyo. Yun din po dapat yung email address na ilalagay nyo po dito. It's the same thing with the phone number. Dapat po ang ilalagay nyo phone number dito is kung ano po yung nilagay nyo or nakalink po dun sa card na gagamitin nyo para hindi po siya mag-fail. Kasi usually, yung mga members or mga new members ng Atomy, nagko-complain sila bakit laging nag-fail, hindi nagpo-pursue. It could be first, mahina yung signal ng connection nyo, wifi nyo, or data nyo. Second, baka mali po yung nilagay nyong number or email address na nakalink po dapat dun sa cards na gagamitin nyo. Kung hindi pa rin po siya nagpo-pursue, Better Protocol Atomy customer service po. They will help you to resolve your problem. Okay, sender name is my name. Okay, so we are done with customer information. We will now proceed to the delivery information. So, nandito na po tayo sa delivery information. So, bago nyo po ilalagay yung recipient name, you have to decide on what address nyo po ipapadala yung product nyo. So, usually po, yung mga members sa Atomy, pag ayaw nila po magbayad ng delivery charge, they want their products to be shipped to the center. Kasi kahit isang product lang po yung bibilhin nyo, and if you're going to ship that to the center, wala pong delivery charge. Gagawin nyo lang po, susunduin nyo lang po, or ipipick upin nyo po yung products nyo doon sa center na pinag-deliveran po ng LBC. So, since nahit ko naman po yung free delivery service, which is 3,000 pesos, I can now choose my address for the shipping. So, I'll be putting the name ng magre-receive po ng product and mobile number and my address. I think meron na dito. Okay, so for memo for delivery, kung yung area nyo po is walang exact number or mahirap i-locate, kailangan nyo po maglagay ng landmark dito sa memo for delivery. Usually naman po tatawagan kayo ng LBC na di-deliver na po sa inyo yung item nyo. So, usually nilalagay ko lang po dito, call me first. Click lang po yung continue. So, ito na po yung laman ng order ko. Okay, so now, we are now going to pay the amount that we need to pay para po maging successful po yung ating online ordering. So, sa Atomy, we have two mode of payments. The first one is credit or debit card. The second one naman po is bank deposit. Sa bank deposit, we have two banks wherein you can deposit the payment. The first one po is the BDO. Second one is PNB. So, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung itsura nun. So, okay, so if you prefer paying via over the counter, click nyo lang po yung bank deposit. Nakaklik naman po yan Matic. Then, click nyo po dito yung yes, I agree. Then, check out now. Your order has been successfully placed. So, andito na po ang inyong order number. Kailangan i-take note nyo po yan. Kasi kailangan po na maisulat yan sa inyong mga deposit slips. And the first one, if you prefer, kung mas malapit po sa bahay nyo yung BDO, ito po yung bank name ng Atomy sa BDO, which is Atomy Philippine Distribution Trading Inc. And the account number is this one. Kapag mas malapit naman po sa inyo ang PNB, you don't need to put an account number kasi you just have to put Atomy Philippine Distribution Trading Inc. dun sa deposit slip, and then also put the member ID and the amount and the order number. So, kaya mapapansin nyo po dito sa PNB, walang account number. Yan po talaga, wala po talagang account number. Just only the account name of Atomy sa PNB, which is also the same with the BDO. That is Atomy Philippine Distribution Trading Inc. Okay, again, no more account number. Just account name ng company ni Atomy and your member ID, yung member ID po ng pinag-orderan yung accounts at yung total amount na kailangan pong bayaran. But this time, I'm not going to use this payment method kasi mas prefer ko talaga magbayad directly using using my debit card para hindi na po ako lalabas, 'di ba? Lalo na ngayon at meron tayong COVID. So pinakita ko lang po sa inyo, again, we have BDO, PNB, bank if you prefer or kung wala po kayong debit card or credit card. Let's just go back. So I'll choose debit card and then check out now again. Any card na meron pong Visa, Mastercard, UCB, American Express, or Banknet are acceptable po dito sa ating online payment. Click nyo lang po dito. Check here to indicate that you have read and agree to iPay's privacy notice. And then, the card holder name. Kung ano po yung pangalan dun sa harap ng card nyo, yun po yung ang isusulat nyo dito. And credit card number. So, wag po kayong mako-confuse kasi if you don't have credit card and you are using debit card just like me, kung ano po yung 16-digit number dun sa harapan ng debit card nyo, yun po din yung ilalagay nyo po dito. CVC and CVV2. Yan po yung last 3 digits sa likod ng inyong card. And the expiry date, yan po yung nasa inyong harap na card na may nakasulat pong valid through. Issuing country is Philippines and card issuing bank. Click nyo lang po ito, huwag nyo po kakalimutan. I authorize Atomy Philippines to debit the above net charges from my credit or debit card. Okay, so para hindi po pumalya din ang inyong payment online, kailangan nyo pong i-check yung inyong 16-digit number bago nyo po i-click yung proceed. Okay, so tama naman po na yung akin. Okay, so may magte-text po sa inyo, sa inyong mga cellphone na nakalink doon sa card na ginamit nyo na OTP. That is one-time PIN. This is to verify and to secure na ikaw talaga yung gumamit or gumawa ng order na to. Okay? So, yan po. Let's put in the PIN. Okay, just click submit. Okay, so your order has been successfully placed. Ganun lang po kasimple. Ito na po ang aking order number. So kahit na confirm na yung payment ko, I still have to take note of my order number para I can call the main office if I want to follow up dun po sa order natin. Kasi sa Atomy po, if you usually yung delivery time naman is 3 to 6 working days. So, huwag po kayo magmamadali, no? Yung isang araw ka palang umorder, gusto mo kinabukasan, dumating na agad yung item mo. So, hindi po ganon. Kasi hindi lang po tayong customer na Atomy. So, just wait the 3 to 6 working days po bago po dumatingan yung mga items na binili po online. So, that would be all. Again, if you're ordering at Atomy Philippines, meron na po tayong PNB as added mode of payment, and also dun po sa mga nag-fail po ng kanilang online ordering, always check if the email you have used is the one that is linked to your card, as well as the cell phone number na ilalagay nyo po dun sa shipping or sa payment details. Okay. Thank you very much, guys, and I hope may natutunan po kayo sa tutorial na ginawa ko po ngayon. And don't forget to like this video and to share this video sa mga friends nyo and sa mga prospects nyo po na gusto nyo pong magkaroon ng account sa Atomy, or yung mga gusto nyo pong maging business partners or members po. Bye guys! Till next! And thank you for watching. Aja, aja, aja!